So far, we have talked about costs and expenses as if they were the same concept. Here we learn how these are different concepts. Cost is the value of a resource, such as the value of the time that a person works in a company reflected in her salary. It can also be the value of raw materials or the value of production equipment. Cost indicates that a resource has a value. Some resources are fully consumed in a period, and we call them expenses. For example, the salary of marketing, accounting, and human resource managers are expenses. Once their time has been consumed, it is gone. These costs are expenses because they reflect resources that are fully consumed and have no future value. Other resources are not fully consumed during the period. For example, the equipment is an asset because it is gradually used over several periods until the end of its life. A factory is another example of an asset because it is used to produce in the current period, but it still has value for future periods. The cost of these resources become assets of the company when they are acquired. Because assets are used in the long term, they have value going into the future. Now that the distinction between costs and expenses has been made, profit can be defined precisely as profit equals revenues minus expenses.